On my way to meet a successful Chinese entrepreneur, a K-pop idol was spotted at Gimpo Airport. I'm Luck. Flying to China. Landing at Beijing Airport. Catching a taxi at Beijing Airport. In front of the arrival hospital. Go inside the hospital, Tilda. Hello, Granting Clinic. From the president of Granton. Granting Clinic product VMASK. Celebrities and promotions in China. Coffee at the hospital cafe. Granting Clinic Medical Beauty. Granting Clinic Operating Room. Verified Hospital Cosmetology Association Signage. POV looking for hydrocolloid bandage companies in Korea. After the meeting, a delicious meal of Beijing duck.